Today I'll be showcasing the recorder and its various capabilities in the context of a virtual reality bowling game. This demo is utilizing several third-party Unity add-ons. The virtual reality functionality is being provided by the VR Interaction Framework by Bearded Ninja Games, and the mesh animation is being driven by Final IK by Root Motion. Both can be found on the Unity Asset Store. Let's take a look at this sample recording. We are able to replicate and visualize a user's movement thanks to the inverse kinematics running on the mesh. Any interactable objects in the scene are also recorded, such as the bowling ball and the pins. Much of the actual gameplay logic and physics simulations are disabled during replay, ensuring that everything that happened during the original gameplay is replicated precisely frame by frame. Specifically, in this scene, when a ball reaches the end of the lane, a volume deletes it and spawns a new one at the ball return. Likewise, the pin reset button simply deletes the pins and spawns a new standing set. These points in the recording are saved dynamically, spawning in new objects at the right frame. These objects normally are dynamic physics objects, but during a replay, their rigid body components are set to kinematic. On the flip side, the final IK mesh scripts continue to run unaltered in this scene. It moves on its own during a replay because the target game objects representing the position and rotation of the head and hand controllers were recorded. These target objects play out their old motion during a replay. The character mesh continues to follow them as normal thanks to Final IK. Here you can see the VR recording process side by side. On the left side of the screen you can see the real-life footage of the recording session. On the right you can see the screen recording that was taken precisely at the same time. These next clips are the replay of the motion shown in the previous clips. You can see the movement paired up with the real-life footage again here. The recording can be viewed while wearing a virtual reality headset, as shown in this clip. The recorder comes with the basic Playback UI HUD widget that you can use to control the replay. It can pause, restart at the beginning, go frame by frame forwards and backwards, as well as allow the user to scrub using a playhead. The recording UI also shows the current frame out of the total frames recorded in the currently playing file. In addition to the standard Playback UI, here is an example of a virtual reality Playback UI using the VR UI tools included in the VR Interaction Framework. This can be very convenient for those who wish to view the recordings while wearing a virtual reality headset. Just like the standard Playback UI, this game object is disabled during recordings and normal gameplay.